let's go do some proper driving. Hey, always Solberg here. Today we're gonna play the game all of you should have on your Christmas list. It's EA SPORTS WRC. Now we're gonna play the game. Gonna take a Skoda Rally 2.
We are playing the game.
Huh? We? Why are you here?
Well, I came to your house. I want to really try.
Okay, you can only try if we do a deal.
Okay, what type of deal is this then?
I drive a Rally 2, you drive a Rally 1. Who is the fastest?
That's a good deal.
That should be no problem.
No, that should be easy. As long as we drive on snow, I should be okay. I will get prepared with my shoes and gloves.
You need it. Okay, Dad, we're ready to go. Obviously, this is a big disadvantage for me. Massive. Because I'm in a Rally 2 and I'm going first. You can watch me and you can learn the stage. So
it should only be the fair way to do it like that too.
You should win very easy now, just to let you know. But anyway, let's go. I'm ready to go.
You have less power, so you have more traction, you know. No jump start.
1, go, 6 left, brake, 62 right sharp, at junction, 4 right short, 50.
It's a good exit.
I know.
Entry though.
But I was very fast out.
Yeah, there you are.
Are you nervous?
Well, you haven't done any mistakes.
Not yet.
50, crest, 70.
That's a difficult stage. I'm actually focusing to remember the road here. I don't know which co-driver is in the game.
It's an English male voice, actually.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know who it is, but...
like females or?
Far away.
He's pushing. He's no cutting.
No cutting.
You're not cheating at all.
Not yet. Now we're coming up to the big jump, Collins Crest. Famous.
Oh, so you know the stage?
Oh.
That was a mistake.
Yeah. Big jump.
70, slight left, tightens 3.
I don't remember the stage fully, but...
It's pretty good.
It's not too bad.
You get tired?
After you've done RSC, nothing is tiring. I need all the speed I can on the straights if I want to beat the Rally 1.
Should have chosen a different stage.
Yes, because it's very fast. Soon at the finish now. Are you ready for the pressure, Solberg?
40, 5 left, over finish, into 5 right.
And here we go, finish line, there. 2:37.2.
And take a picture then.
Yes, of course. Don't you worry, I will record my time. Are you ready? Do you feel the pressure?
I thought I was pretty good actually, to be honest with you. I don't know if I can do that.
You wanted my setup or anything, or?
Yeah.
I can give you some...
No, just put exactly your setup. I mean, exactly your setup.
Not maybe everything. You want my setup, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. I've been with teammates who have been keeping secrets, yeah?
I'm not like, I'm different. I'm your generation.
You're doing it quite fast, you know what you're doing.
I know exactly my setup.
It's not soft enough.
I know every car I've ever driven.
If you can't beat somebody with exactly the same car and setup, you're not good enough. Very simple.
You feel the pressure.
It's my seat, or?
Yeah. It's from your rallycross car, actually. From your World Championship winning rallycross car.
Good luck.
I would feel big pressure if I was you now, because your car is much faster. Good luck.
2, 1, go, 6 left, brake, 62 right sharp, at junction, and crest, into 5 left, 80.
He's driving well at the moment.
50. 5 left, and left of a crest, 180.
It's not bad. Hey, rolling.
A reset.
Is it a restart?
I have to.
In real life, you can't restart.
This is not
You
real
will be
life.
finished now.
And normally, what do I tell you? Margin.
Margin.
Margin. Was that okay, or?
Yeah, the beginning was very good. till you roll. But there we go. Off the start we go.
Right sharp at junction at the crest. To 5 left, 80.
Oh, and then went off in the first corner.
Kjører dårligere nå. I drive worse now than before.
Getting nervous. This is a big jump, so slow down.
And right, small jump, 50. Crest, 70.
It's not bad. At least it's clean, you know. It's maybe not big attack, but at least it's clean. You can see he's focused when the breathing starts. Footwork is classic. Hard brakings and attack, yeah. But it's starting to be good now. I have to be quiet, otherwise he will kill me.
To crest, 44 right.
Hell, that was high.
That's a big jump.
To the crest, 40.
I think this time could be quite tight between us. Come on, come on,
Turn, square right.
come on, come on, go, go, go.
Into 5 right to stop.
That's close. That was very close. That was good. That was good.
How much did you beat me with?
I think I only beat you with 1.5 seconds or something. So 1.6 seconds, that's close.
Actually, we could do one more time.
Well, maybe.
I do one more. That was actually that was a good, nice car to drive. The game felt very good. I just need more control of the front with the precision. But the car itself, the brake was good. Just need a little bit more reaction in the front. If you can do something with the front that I can,
You want a bit more precision.
but not doing it stiffer to lose grip. Yeah.
Well, so my dad wanted, first of all, a bit more precision, and he wanted one more go. So to be nice and fair competitor, I will give him one more. So he's starting now. Yeah, that's hard braking. That's Yuakankon braking from the 80s.
50.
Oh, hitting the wall. Oh,
Big crest, 70.
oh, he's already catched 1.5 seconds on his own time. Oh, big slide.
Side windows.
Side windows. You can see that the game is good when he can go fast straight away because he never plays the game. So you can see the game is quite realistic when he goes good straight away. So it's quite nice to see. He's had a few moments now, few big slides. Cutting, big corner cutting, that's a penalty. So he will beat me if he doesn't do a f*** now. So hopefully he keeps it on the road. Yeah, that would be terrible if I distracted him now. Oh, big slide. I'm being beaten. I'm being beaten. No, 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 no. Well done.
I killed you. That's it. Dinner is on. Fantastic. Thanks. Thanks for coming.
Yes. Well, that wasn't very fun, was it? Let's go back in time together. Recently, I just did the RAC with my dad's Escort. Now, I'm so excited, I want to try it in the new game. Okay, standing on the start line here now. First thing I think is quite cool is that when you drive older cars in the game, the instrument cluster changes to more a classic style, which is quite cool. There we go.
To the crest, slight left. Into 3 right. To left of a crest. And turn 1 right. Tightens. Square.
The car drives quite the same as in real life, which is nice, you know. You can get that rear-wheel drive feeling. Big slides, which I love.
And 2 left. Don't cut. And 4 right. Tightens.
And you have moments like in real life, which happens a lot in the rear-wheel drive Escort and Torque at the same time. That's what I like with the new game here. It's a lot of real life stages. You get a good feel from stages you've done in real life actually, which is nice. And you can do it in current WRC cars, and you can do it in old classic Escorts like I'm doing now. So the variety of cars and stages in this game is incredible. So that makes it very fun and makes you sit here for hours, at least for me. Yeah, I'm having fun, but it's exactly as much hard work as it was in the RAC. Breathing, working on the steering wheel. At least what is nice in the game is you have power steering, which is helps a lot. And it's quite cool when you rev it a lot. It's exactly like the feeling in real life, you know. You get the buzz in your ass when you hit 10,700 RPM.
To 5 right short. To 5 left.
It's focused.
To crest. 50. Hairpin right. 40. 2 left sharp. 30. 1 left. 40.
I have it on wet now to get it a bit more like RAC feel, and it feels good. I mean, it's sliding around a lot. It's very slippery, so it's quite similar. That's a big moment. More moments than I had on the whole RAC. Another cool feature I just realized now is that if you want to see out the window, you need to put the wipers on. So it's also very realistic in that sense.
Left of big crest. To slight right.
Now we're shooting at the finish, coming flat out over the crest here.
120. Finish and 6 left to stop.
And there we are finished. It's as hard work as it is in real life, I can tell you. Well, I just need to breathe a little bit because it's exactly the same as the RAC, you know, hard work. But at least my arms are not tired, which is nice. That's a small preview of the game for you with the Ford Escort rear-wheel drive, as I did in real life. Congratulations to EA SPORTS WRC for creating such a nice, big, iconic game, including the past with modern and a lot of variational stages. And I hope all of you out there buys the game, enjoy it with friends and family, and yeah, have some big slides like I do with my Escort. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Dirtfish.